I'll bring up another one. Don't mind the background noise, those are just my neighbors. Dang. Caught that right on camera, bro. Some more, bro. Do some more. Oh, caught that on camera too, bro.
I'll be like, hey, where you at? I say, I'm buying a 20 piece for the dog. Hey,
Bro, I haven't seen big fireworks since last year. The heck is that? Are they gonna do any more? It's probably because my mom and my sister are sick. Oh, I hear one. Oh, okay, that one was far. Yeah. Oh. Oh, they're on the ground now. Okay, we're at my front yard now. Huh? Okay. I'm filming right now. They're like over here. They were on the ground. Oh, yep, I saw. They're back there.